Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rachna Jagia, Head of Department at Venkateshwar Hospital, Dermatology and Aesthetic Department. Today I will be sharing my thoughts on skincare in winters. As the season changes and winter rolls in, our skin often needs some special care. It sends out some SOS signals like chapped lips, flaky skin, irritated, dull complexion, which are common during the winter months. As a dermatologist, I am here today with you to shed light on how to overcome these unique challenges and how to tackle these special problems of winter skincare. While winter poses a problem for the skin, we need to understand this. Then only we are able to understand our skin needs and accordingly follow a protective regime. Actually, the winter season itself has low humidity. The cold air outside and the heated environment inside further decreases the humidity. This leads to effect on our skin, which actually acts as a barrier between the external environment, and this breakage of the skin barrier causes aesthetic concerns in the form of flakiness, dryness, dull complexion, and it also aggravates certain skin conditions such as eczema flare-ups, psoriasis recurrence, and our skin becomes more prone to infections as it is cracked, fissured, giving entry point to the infections. Now, how to safeguard our skin during the winter months is the important question. To answer these, we need to understand the skin needs and address them in the right way. The essentials of winter care will be a gentle cleansing routine. We all feel very comfortable using hot water during winters, but it is very damaging to our skin. The hot water leaches out all the skin moisture and natural oils from our skin. So it is very important that either we use normal tap water or we just make it slightly lukewarm to make us comfortable. Immediately after washing or bathing, it's very important to hydrate our skin. Hydration needs during winter months change, like we need to switch on to more rich and creamy emollient based moisturizers. The best time to apply them is soon after bathing or washing. As soon as you dab your skin with towel, apply an ample amount of moisturizer on your skin. That will help to lock the moisture into your damp skin, and this will go a long way throughout your day. So apart from hydration from outside, we need to keep ourselves hydrated inside. Drink plenty of water. Generally, we tend to forget drinking water during the winter months. We don't feel thirsty actually. So it will be a good idea if you add certain warm fluids like warm soups or herbal teas, which actually replenishes your fluid content. Apart from this, I like to share certain targeted tips for your skin care routine. So this includes taking special care of certain areas like lips, heels, soles, the scalp and the hands. So lips can become cracked and fissured during winter months. We need to use occlusive petroleum jelly based emollients or lip balms to keep our lips fresh throughout the day. Best time to apply is at night, and of course you can reuse them during the daytime. The hands need special care as they are exposed to the harsh weather and the warm, lukewarm water that you're using to wash hands. So the cleansers you are using should be real gentle, and soon after washing your hands, you should apply a good amount of emollient or moisturizer on your hands practically every time you wash hands. The other area is the scalp. So avoid hot water that flares up dandruff and other infection conditions including psoriasis on your scalp. Use gentle shampoos. Don't stop washing your head. Wash your head like 2 to 3 times a week. You can reduce your frequency than the summer ones. The last area especially requiring a care is the soles or the heels. So after each bathing or washing, apply gentle emollient, and you can use a special foot cream at night. Now sharing certain advanced tips for winter care. You need to tweak your skincare daily routine. If you're using retinols or AHA or BHA-based products, it's important either you change them or you reduce their frequency of usage, as these can exacerbate dryness and break your skin barrier. Apart from that, if you're using any heating equipment in your home or office, it's important that you invest in a humidifier, as it will balance out the humidity and help you stay hydrated, as well as your skin will stay hydrated and glowing throughout the winter months. For people having sensitive skin, they can use products which are based on oatmeal, nicotinamide, niacinamide or aloe vera. For certain patients who have acne-prone skin and they use acne treatment or products which are related to acne, it is important that they don't miss out on moisturizing their skin. Their moisturizer should be non-comedogenic, oil-free, and should be on a lighter tone in the form of aqua gels or lotions. Now I would like to address upon certain winter skincare myths. The natural products that you use generally throughout the year, like lemon juice, honey, fruit juices or multani, etc., should be used very carefully, actually should be avoided during the winter months, as they can change your skin pH and also break your skin barrier, leading to irritation and sensitivity. Another myth is about sunscreens. We religiously use sunscreen during the summer months, but in winter we think there is no sun, not much, so let's skip that. Actually, it is even more essential that you use sunscreen during the winter months, as the UV rays tend to penetrate the clouds and the smog or the grey skies, but we don't see a beautiful lighted sun. So we tend to stand, whenever we see a beautiful afternoon, we tend to stand in the sun for some few minutes. We need to put on sunscreen daily to protect during this time, and also whenever we are stepping out during the daylight. Another myth is that drinking water alone will be sufficient to moisturize your skin. A topical emollient is definitely a necessary add-on, and hydrating yourself with plenty of fluids is also as important. So the both go hand in hand. Oily skin also needs moisturizing. So lightweight, non-comedogenic, topical, once daily application of selected moisturizers will be important. So in spite of doing all this in the best way, sometimes we still face skin issues. Any persistent itching, dryness, redness or any other infection can be a sign of underlying eczemas, rosacea, psoriasis or per se bacterial or fungal infections. So don't neglect. Promptly see your dermatologist, as the dermatologist will help you to treat the condition as well as help you give certain tips to prevent its recurrence further, which you can take care throughout your life. In my closing thoughts, I would like to say that winter care doesn't mean piling a lot of products at home, but it does mean that you need your skin needs and accordingly you use the products and their frequency of usage, the time of usage. to protect your skin from the harsh elements outside, the weather condition, as well as the indoor heated environments. So basically, a consistent and persistent skincare routine is all that makes a difference to have a healthy, radiant skin throughout the chilliest months also. So thank you, and I hope in this winter you will pamper your skin as it deserves. So all the best.